In the heart of the jungle, a baby cartoon lion sits on a log looking adorable. Suddenly, she lets out a big hiccup, causing her to bounce up in surprise. With each hiccup, she lets out a tiny roar that echoes through the trees. A group of cute animals gathers around, their eyes wide with laughter. The monkey swings from a branch, giggling at the lion's hiccups. The parrot flaps its wings, mimicking the lion's hiccuping sounds. The rabbit hops around, clapping its paws in delight at the lion's antics. With one final hiccup, the lion bounces high, and all the animals burst into laughter.